Say your name. Say your name. Dis non ou. Repeat your name. Repeat your name. Répétez non ou.
I understand. I understand. Mwen kompran.
Spell your name. Spell your name. Éplez non ou. Print your name. Print your name. Imprimer ou bien écrit non. Sign your name. Sign your name. Signer non ou. Stand up. Stand up. Camper.
Go to the board. Go to the board. Allez nan tableau a. Write on the board. Write on the board. Écrit sous tableau a. Erase the board. Erase the board. Efface tableau a.
Sit down. Take your seat. Sit down. Take your seat. Chita. Prends place ou. Open your book. Open your book. Ouvrez livre. Read page 10. Read page 10. Lis page 10. Study page 10. Study page 10. Étudiez page 10. Close your book. Close your book. Fermez livre. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Levez main. Ask your question. Ask your question. Posez question là. Listen to the answer. Listen to the answer. Écoutez réponse là. Do your homework. Do your homework. Fais devoir ou. Bring in your homework. Bring in your homework. Portez devoir ou. Correct your mistakes. Correct your mistakes. Corrigez erreur ou yo. Share a book. Share a book. Partager yon livre. Discuss the question. Discuss the question. Discutez question. Help each other. Help each other. You need a lot. Work together. Work together. Travaille ensemble. Go over the answer. Go over the answer. Allez sous réponse là. Lend me your book. Lend me your book. Prêtez-moi livre.
Put away your book. Put away your book. Ok, an nou bien comprendre faz ça.
Par exemple, yon moun te kapab li nan un livre. Donc ou vle di moun sa, mettez livre là ou du moins ranger livre là soit à côté te y avant ou capable utiliser fwaz ça pour lire. OK?